Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are unable to turn off sticky keys on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down under the interaction. You just need to click on keyboard. Under the sticky filter and toggle keys, sticky keys, you just need to toggle this to off position, and that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.